The extraction time can be adjusted according to personal preference. Press and hold the single cup or double cup button for 3 seconds to enter custom mode. Then press the same button again to start brewing. When you get your ideal extraction time, press the same button to stop. Your settings saves automatically. If you set a time shorter than the minimum, the machine will automatically use the minimum time as your settings. Press the favorite icon once to start extracting. When you have your ideal volume, press it again to stop.